Hey, is real estate a good career to get into? Yes, it's been a very good career for me. Hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome to Real Estate Happens, the very first and longest running real estate show on the web. I'm John McQuilkin, thanks for tuning in. Okay, I'm a real estate agent in Beverly Hills, California, and I sell luxury homes. So yes, real estate has been a very good career for me, and it may be a good career for you, but there's a few things you have to consider. Real estate is 100% commission. What that means is you're not going to get a steady paycheck. If you don't sell any houses, you're not going to make any money. So when you first start out in the business, you need a way to support yourself, especially if you have a family to provide for. It might take you 6 months before you sell your first house. Once you sell your first house, then you might get on a roll and start selling houses on a consistent basis. But only if you continue to work the business. The reason this business is tough for a lot of people is because there's nobody to hold you accountable. You can sleep all day long if you want. Nobody's going to care, but you'll end up going broke because you won't make any money. Every day, you have to wake up at a certain time and get out there and meet people because this is a people business. Without clients, you're not going to make any money. So you have to prospect every single day so that you have new clients constantly coming in so that you can make real estate as a career profitable for you. If not, you're just wasting your time. The typical real estate agent sells 2 or 3 houses a year. How can you make a living selling 2 or 3 houses a year? You can't. So don't waste your time if that's going to be you. But if you want to be successful, if you want to be a superstar agent, then yes, real estate can be a good career for you. If you remember, you have to treat it like a business and you have to work it every single day. Anyways, I hope this video has helped. If it has, make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you like this video and come back again in the future for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'm John McQuilkin, and I'll see you in real estate.